There is a bird in our fireplace, making all the noises and everything, and it's trying to get out. Oh my, it's stuck.
Yeah.
It's trying to get up.
It's going the wrong way.
I love those type of birds. I told you it was a bird.
Yeah, you called it.
Not a rat.
Bring it back around.
Okay, now we don't have to worry about anything. Okay, look at this. Oh no. It's gonna come. Okay. Do you have it? My dad is holding a bird right now. And it's stuck in the fireplace.
Open the door.
Poor little birdie was stuck in that fireplace. And we're releasing it. And it's up there.
Show Daddy.
Yeah. Oh wait, that's the man that did it. Oh my god. And all his friends.
Oh, that was. I was waiting for
Oh
it.
my